All right. Hello and welcome back right here with clickmill.co. So in this video, we're going to be briefly discussing video campaigns. So you can run video ads to YouTube from Google Ads. Now, as you guys, I'm sure know, Alphabet is Google's parent company. Alphabet owns both YouTube and Google. So essentially the same company. And so from Google Ads is where you're going to run YouTube ads. Now, YouTube ads are targeted by group, by behavior, by things that people are interested in. You can also, I believe, have some different keyword targeting because you do have the keyword features where you're typing in the YouTube search bar. So you can have various ways to target. YouTube ads, I've got friends that have run more YouTube ads than myself, and they have had some really good success. Generally, YouTube ads are less expensive. And if you're searching on YouTube, you're usually going to be ready to watch more and you're looking more for an educational experience than you would on like a TikTok or another one of these platforms where all there are shorts. And so when you're looking, especially if you're looking for keywords on how to fix a problem in YouTube, and you show an ad to the people in those exact types of videos or channels, the likelihood that you're going to hit an audience, again, this is outbound. They might be looking for the problem, but they're not necessarily looking for you. So it's still outbound, but it's a warmer outbound than just showing ads randomly to everybody on the internet. So you can do quite well. And especially this is the case with the video ads if you can really, really relate with your audience and you can come in strong and be like, hey, are you, you just care so much about your child but there's just these behavioral problems and you've tried everything you can do and you're exhausted and exasperated, but you want the best for their life. You're looking for a child therapist. And they're like, I'm looking for a child therapist. I didn't even know it, but or maybe they are. And you can really get the relational element going in those. That's where you're really going to excel on video ads, especially when it's related to the videos they're already watching. So when you come into video ads, it is sort of an outboundy type thing. Unless they're looking up, like, let's say your brand, if they're looking up your brand or your client's brand in YouTube and you show an ad, well, that's great. That's inbound. But otherwise, it's still going to be an outbound, but a good source of outbound traffic for the right company. So with that, this is video campaigns. So generally, when I'm working with a service industry business, in the past, I've worked with a lot of wedding venues. I've worked with a lot of therapists. Now with ClickMill, a lot of businesses and Christian ministries type things. Usually it's something that we're going to go to after the initial let's get someone to pay for the service. But when I was with the wedding venue side of things, it was targeting people with a really good, beautiful panoramic drone shot of the venue to women who are looking up best wedding venues in California, something like that, and really targeting it on them. And then they're seeing this beautiful wedding venue. Of course, they're going to click. So, but again, it was kind of secondary to just the initial capture the people looking for best Sonoma wedding venue in Napa on Google right now in the state of California. So something like that is probably more effective. And then moving out to something like a video, that could be a good second and test that. And I would say especially helpful if you've got the free lead magnet. This is always true, but especially in the video campaigns, they see, let's say in that specific example there with the Napa Valley sort of wedding venue ad, hey, get your free tour today. Free tours fill up fast, get yours today, or call today and get your free brochure, something like that to get them to click out of the ad and onto the website, offer that lead magnet. That's going to really increase the conversion rates. That's always true with ads, but I would say especially true with those video ads. So anyway, with that, thank you for being with me in this video where we've discussed using video ads and who we're going to use them with. And in the next video, we're going to be looking at another type of ad campaign you can run. We'll see you there.